Hi guys! So today we're going to make some jalapeno poppers. And it's not like the kind you get in the freezer with the cheddar and stuff like that. These are Texas style poppers. And they're really awesome and good. So let me show you what's happening down here. Because I already pre-did some of them because it does take a little while for prepping. So okay, let's go down here. So, it depends on how much jalapenos you want. And don't forget to preheat your oven at 350. Okay, so I have done, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 12 jalapenos. Some of these were from my parents' garden, some of them I bought. But these are kind of little. So you could get bigger ones. It's whatever, how many you want to do and how big your peppers are. So I'm just right now, you could take a spoon and scoop it out, but that caused me to cough, and because sometimes the oils and stuff, or yeah, and it squirts everywhere, and so it shoots in. So this is just easier for me. So all you do is take your jalapeno, cut it in half, and then you go. And then you just cut the seeds and that white membrane out. That's where a lot of your heat is. So if you want it a little bit spicier, you could leave some of the membrane on there and some seeds. But I don't like a lot, so I'm trying to get rid of as much as possible. And just remember, before you do this, wash your produce. And a little tidbit, you have gloves. This will help with the jalapeno oils that's on it. Because I sometimes rub my eyes and I shouldn't. And I forget, and so you don't want jalapeno oils on your finger and then rub it in your eye. You're going to be hurting. Okay, so I got all my jalapenos done, and then you could discard this or use the seeds to replant. Now I have here some smoked bacon. Use whatever bacon you like. These are kind of thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to get 12 slices. And because these are small, I'm going to cut the bacon in half. And then set to the side. And now I have, seeds are everywhere from these jalapenos. This is, how many ounces are this? 8 ounces, 8 ounce of cream cheese. This is my Kroger brand. It doesn't have to be room temperature, but if you like it room temperature, you can. So, and I got use a spoon, or I got a little spreader. Then you take your jalapeno, and you're very generous with the cream cheese. Fill that sucker up. Then get some bacon. I got 2 pieces of bacon. It's different with these gloves. It's hard to tell. This is a little bit more fatty bacon. It was in a pack. And then you just wrap that thing around, and then you place it on your cookie sheet. Another little tidbit, this is a non-stick cookie sheet, but because I don't really want to clean it and stuff, I just put tinfoil over it, so that way you can discard the tinfoil. And it just depends on how big your jalapeno is to see how much cream cheese you need. So my oven is preheated. And I just keep on doing this. I have one jalapeno left, so I'm just going to wrap it in bacon. And it'll just be cheeseless jalapeno. Got people who don't like cheese. So there you go. They're all done. And then they go into the oven and they cook till the bacon is nice and you can do crispy or just at least to where it's cooked and where it's nice and brown. So it takes about maybe 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. So I will be back when these babies are done. So see you then. Alright guys, there they are. They're going to need some cool down time, but my oven's been acting a little bit weird because it's a propane oven, so it took about, it did take about 40 minutes, and I went ahead and put it on boil for about maybe 5 minutes. So just to get it done, I need to get more propane. But enjoy your spicy jalapeno pepper poppers. So thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next item that I cook. And thank you for joining me today. And remember, if you like the video, press like and then subscribe for more videos to come. Alright, bye guys.